To truly master your craft, you must commit to it wholeheartedly. It demands a level of dedication that borders on obsession. While the world may offer countless distractions, sports games, social engagements, I remain singularly focused. My mind is constantly engaged, whether I'm counting sequences or perfecting my technique on the mat. This relentless pursuit of excellence is my life's mission. I cannot afford to be sidetracked by trivialities. My passion consumes me entirely. If you wish to succeed in your endeavors, you must approach them with the same fervor and dedication. Anything less would be a disservice to your craft and to yourself. So, immerse yourself fully, embrace the madness, and watch as your dedication yields remarkable results.
I am consumed by this game. It courses through my veins like a relentless obsession. In this arena, there are countless others waiting eagerly for their chance, their passion rivaling mine. But it's obsession that will always reign supreme. Talent alone won't cut it. You must be consumed by the game, your thoughts consumed by it day and night.
When you step onto that court, it's a battle against yourself. You must believe, without a shred of doubt, that you are the best out there. Why not you? You possess the intellect to strategize, the determination to execute, and the potential to transform your life. You can achieve your wildest dreams, fortifying your family's future and shattering any barriers in your path.
During my time in the military, I witnessed the power of hope firsthand. On instructor-led runs, soldiers would rejoice as the endpoint neared, but some instructors, driven by a relentless spirit, would push past it. In those moments, hope faltered and determination took over. I saw minds shift from hopeful anticipation to unyielding resolve.
They were no longer living off hope alone. They were tapping into a reservoir of strength they didn't know they possessed. It's that unwavering determination that separates the extraordinary from the ordinary, the obsessed from the merely talented. So I ask you again, why not you? Embrace the madness, harness your potential, and watch as your dreams become reality.
The hope for favorable conditions, for an easy way out, it's all just wishful thinking. But me, I don't rely on hope. I crave the challenge, the adversity. I wish for cold waters, for relentless instructors, for pouring rain. Because in those moments of uncertainty, when the path ahead is shrouded in darkness, that's when you truly discover who you are.
The greatest fear isn't failing to achieve your potential, it's falling short. Quitting before you've given it your all, succumbing to procrastination and indecision. Before you know it, you're old, filled with regret, wondering what could have been. So when faced with adversity, embrace it. Embrace the discomfort, the uncertainty, the challenges. That's where growth happens, where true character is forged. Don't succumb to the allure of comfort, of mediocrity. Push yourself to the limits, even when it's cold, wet, and dark outside, because it's in those moments of discomfort that you'll find your true potential, your true greatness. So keep pushing, keep striving, and never settle for anything less than your best.
It's a harsh truth, but not everyone will pursue their dreams with the same fervor. Many will settle for mediocrity, their potential left unfulfilled. It's a fate that could have easily been mine. When people ask me about my greatest fear in life, it's simple: the fear of reaching the end with regrets. Picture this scenario. Imagine you're a divine judge, and there's a long line of souls waiting for judgment. I've made it to heaven, but at 75 years old and 300 pounds, that's the reality. But now it's Judgment Day.
It's a sobering thought. I don't care if you believe in a higher power or not, the fear of facing judgment with unfulfilled potential is universal. It's a reminder to live each day with purpose, to chase your dreams relentlessly, and to never settle for anything less than your best. Because in the end, it's not just about making it to heaven, it's about making the most of the life you've been given.